Cryptocurrency Explained, a beginner's guide. Welcome to this beginner-friendly guide where we'll demystify the fascinating world of cryptocurrency. If you've heard about crypto but feel unsure where to start, this video is for you. By the end, you'll walk away with a clear understanding of what cryptocurrency is, how it works, and why it's becoming a game changer in the world of finance. Let's dive in. Imagine money that exists only online, completely digital, without paper notes, coins, or central banks controlling it. That's cryptocurrency in a nutshell. It's a form of digital money that operates on technology rather than traditional institutions like governments or banks. The key difference is that cryptocurrency is decentralized, meaning no single entity has control over it. Instead of relying on intermediaries, transactions happen directly between users, supported by a secure digital infrastructure, we'll explain shortly. Many cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are built on a revolutionary technology called blockchain, which brings us to our next question. How does it all work? At the heart of cryptocurrency is blockchain technology. Think of a blockchain as a digital ledger like a notebook where every transaction is recorded chronologically. Once a transaction is written on the blockchain, it's nearly impossible to erase or alter, which makes it super secure and transparent. Each transaction is verified using complex algorithms and cryptography, ensuring every exchange is legitimate. No middlemen, no banks, just technology doing the hard work. This innovation not only powers cryptocurrencies, but also opens the door to new applications we'll explore later. You've probably heard of Bitcoin. It's the first cryptocurrency ever created and still the most popular today. Bitcoin was launched in 2009 by an unknown person or group under the name Satoshi Nakamoto. It's often called digital gold because it's seen as a store of value. Next up is Ethereum, which brought something new to the table: smart contracts. Beyond being a digital currency, Ethereum allows for programmable transactions, enabling groundbreaking innovations like decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. There are thousands of other cryptocurrencies like Litecoin, Solana, and even Dogecoin, which started as a meme but gained serious attention. Each has its purpose and features, but Bitcoin and Ethereum remain the go-to options for most beginners. So, what's the big deal about cryptocurrency? Put simply, it changes how we think about money and transactions. Cryptocurrencies offer financial freedom by cutting out the middlemen. No waiting for bank approvals or paying high transfer fees. They're also borderless, meaning you can send money to someone halfway across the world just as easily as making a payment to your neighbor. For many communities without access to banks, cryptocurrency can provide new opportunities to participate in the global economy. Plus, blockchain transparency ensures that all transactions are open for anyone to see. This could combat corruption and bring honesty into industries plagued by inefficiencies. Most cryptocurrencies are created through a process called mining. Picture mining as solving complex math puzzles. Computers called miners compete to solve these puzzles, and the winner gets to record the next transaction on the blockchain. As a reward, the miner earns newly created cryptocurrency. Bitcoin mining, for example, requires tremendous computing power and energy. Other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum are shifting to eco-friendlier methods like proof of stake, making mining less resource-heavy. If mining sounds too complicated, don't worry. There are easier ways to get cryptocurrency. Most people buy it through exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. These platforms allow you to purchase crypto using regular money, like dollars or euros. Once you have cryptocurrency, you'll need a wallet to store it. Crypto wallets come in two types. Hot wallets. These are digital wallets connected to the internet and are convenient for frequent transactions, though they're more vulnerable to hacking. Cold wallets. These are offline wallets, like hardware devices, that offer increased security for long-term storage. With your wallet set up, you can use your cryptocurrency to make purchases, trade it, or even invest it, just like stocks. Many people are drawn to cryptocurrencies as an investment. Bitcoin, for example, has seen tremendous growth since its introduction. It was worth just a few cents in 2009 and has reached highs of over $60,000 per coin. But be aware that cryptocurrencies are volatile. Prices can skyrocket or crash in a matter of hours because the market is influenced by factors like demand, investor sentiment, and global news. While investing in crypto can bring big rewards, it's also very risky. Always invest what you can afford to lose. One of the most exciting aspects of cryptocurrency is its ability to power smart contracts. A smart contract is a self-executing digital agreement with no need for lawyers or middlemen. When preset conditions are met, the contract automatically fulfills itself. These smart contracts pave the way for exciting innovations. Decentralized finance, FI, a system of financial tools like lending and borrowing, all without traditional banks. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, unique digital assets such as artwork, music, or gaming collectibles operated on the blockchain. The possibilities are endless as developers build on these technologies. Now, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Cryptocurrency has its fair share of challenges. High volatility can lead to massive losses if you're unprepared. Scams and hacking attempts are also common in the crypto space. Moreover, mining has been criticized for its environmental impact due to the high energy usage. Luckily, many projects are working on greener alternatives to address this issue. Lastly, regulation varies across countries. While some governments embrace crypto, others ban or heavily restrict its use, adding another layer of uncertainty for users and investors. If you're excited to take your first step, here are some beginner-friendly tips to get started on the right foot. Start small. Only invest money you're ready to lose. Research. Understand the cryptocurrency you're buying, its purpose, and its potential risks. Secure your wallet. Write down and back up your wallet's private key or seed phrase. Losing it could mean losing access to all your funds. Avoid scams. Be cautious of investment schemes promising unrealistic returns. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. So, where is cryptocurrency headed? Many experts believe adoption will continue to grow. Governments and financial institutions are exploring ways to integrate blockchain technology. For example, we're seeing the rise of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, which are government-backed digital currencies inspired by crypto. Crypto could also play a significant role in online gaming, virtual reality, and the metaverse, creating even more opportunities for people to engage with it. While no one can predict the future, it's safe to say that cryptocurrency is here to stay and is shaping how we think about money and ownership. Cryptocurrency is an exciting, game-changing technology that offers limitless potential. It empowers people, challenges traditional systems, and opens doors to financial freedom. But as with anything new, it's essential to approach cryptocurrency with curiosity and caution. Educate yourself, ask questions, and never rush into decisions. So, are you ready to take your first step into the world of cryptocurrency? Whether you want to invest, use it for transactions, or simply learn more, this revolutionary technology offers something for everyone. Thanks for watching, and let's continue to explore the future of finance together.